Not sure how to use your TCL AC remote? Model number ES-AC110. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your TCL AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The gentle wind button activates a soft, low-speed airflow mode for a quieter and more comfortable ventilation experience. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the I Feel button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote control. This allows the AC to adjust cooling based on the temperature around the remote, not the unit. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. The Gen button activates generator mode, optimizing the system to reduce energy consumption. It helps maintain essential functions when power supply is limited. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Press the Display button to turn the AC's screen light on or off. This helps reduce light disturbance at night while still keeping the unit running normally. Press the Health button to activate the AC's air purification or ionizer feature, helping improve indoor air quality while cooling or heating. Press the Clean button to activate the self-cleaning function of the indoor unit. This process removes moisture and reduces mold or bacteria buildup inside the air conditioner for fresher, cleaner airflow. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your TCL AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.